Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. I wanted to share with you some Christmas cards that I made. They're the flat cards using this sugar cookie Christmas Prima paper, and it's the 6x6 that JanetKay sent me. Thank you so much, Janet. I absolutely adore this paper. She also gave me some ephemera, so I included some ephemera pieces in this as well, but I just wanted to share with you what I created. I already uploaded ones that I did using another Christmas paper pad, but I'm just loving this pink pastels, and I just can't get enough of it. So this is the first one that I made. Now these are all flat cards, so I just stamped on the back, but that's that one. Just love this collection. It's just so adorable. It's that one. And I created this one. These were a lot of fun to make. I love these flat cards. I don't know, I just like them more than the regular Christmas cards for some reason. Maybe it's just this creation, I don't know. I love it. It's those ones. Then there's that one. Oh, just so cute. And then I made that one. Cute, cute, cute. And then the last two that I created was this one. This is one of the first ones I made. And then the other one is this one. So I thought I would share with you the creations, and I'm just loving this collection. It's so beautiful, and I hope you enjoyed my Christmas cards that I created. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.